Hi, Ron from Clarity.
We're going to do a real quick run through and show you what the Denali context search looks like. That's pretty cool. We used action forms and action grid to do some really unique and interesting thing for their content. Okay, so now I get access to the website. You can see this is on Evoke Engage. Really awesome website. It's pretty clean. It's just a very concise menu. These are right now the only two things, but you can see the home page, right? They've got the search, what they can help with, and they've got some calls to action there, some more information. And then if you wanted to scroll through some of the latest news and read some of those articles. So I'm going to go into the pages view here, and I'm going to go down to the context search, and I'm going to view that page directly. So this is an admin view for us to actually build the context information. So here's a term that I know nothing about, AQSCIR, don't even know what it is. Well, somebody's gone in here and added an item. This is a Six Sigma tool, so obviously it's for quality assurance, right? I know what Six Sigma is, so now I can come in and see what this is. We've given them, using action forms, a admin tool that allows them to go in and define these terms. So somebody could come into this context search for a term, and it gives them the definition. Now this is where they can go in and edit these terms, put a sort order and things like that. Now what this looks like is all over the entire website, if there are any of these special terms that they use, this is what it'll look like as you're reading through the website. So as you see KPI in the text somewhere and go, I don't know what KPI is, you can hover over that and it says, oh, key performance indicator, helps to measure, blah, 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 blah. So that's kind of neat, right? So this is actually what we did dynamically. So we have a dynamic query that goes through the website and adds these into the text on the website on every page based on what they've added into this, we'll call it a glossary. So this is what it actually does to the website. So kind of a unique and interesting thing, but since they're writing a lot of technical articles that might have some acronyms and things based on the readers, they want to make sure that the readers understand everything. So we created this contextual admin tool that allows them to add these definitions to the terms, and they'll automatically be added to every single instance of that word on the website.
So that's a custom DNN Contextual Glossary using action form, action grid, and my tokens. Thanks for watching.